Okay, so now right here we will create a empty game object by the name of damage area, and let's just move this right here. Okay, and let's tag this with a red color. So this will basically be the damage area. So this will basically be the damage area for the enemy. And now in the enemy scripts, we will create a new C# file by the name of enemy damage area, and let's just drag and drop this in the damage area, as you can see. So now let's just open the script, and right here we will first simply remove these two functions, and we will create a variable. So right here type private float, and we will name this as deactivate wait time, and by default this will be equals to 0.2f. After this we will create another one, float, and then we will name this as deactivate timer. Okay, so deactivate timer. After this we will have a serialized field, and then the next variable will be a layer mask, and this will be by the name of player layer. Then the next one will be a private bool, and this will be by the name of can deal damage. And for now let's just cut this from here, and right down below we will create a update function. So type update, and then in the update function we will say if physics 2d dot overlap circle, then in here we will type transform dot position, then we will type 1f, and then player layer. After this we will show a message in the console. When the enemy hit the player, then we will show a message that hit player or something like that. So right here type debug.log, and in here we will type hit player. That's it. So when the enemy hit the player, we will show this in the console. So let us save this, get back right here. So as you can see, now we have the deactivate time and all of that. And now let's select the console. Now let's play the game. Let's see. So now as you can see, it is not showing anything. Okay, it is not showing this hit player text in the console because we need to select the player layer. So right here we don't have the player layer, so click on this player, and right here we will add a player layer. So right here type player, that's it. Now right here select the player layer and click on this no this object only. And now for the damage area, right here we will select the player layer. So now let's just start the game and let the enemy come to us. Okay, so now as you can see, it is started damaging the player, but as you can see it damaged the player, as you can see, really fast, 3000. Now it will be 4000 because we need to add some line of code for this, so it will not damage the player this much time. So let me just clear this from here.